This presentation is designed to provide you with a quick introduction to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is basically the next iteration of Microsoft Dynamics Nav. It is Microsoft's enterprise resource planning solution that is targeted towards the small, medium, and corporate market. Business Central is available both on-premise and in the cloud. In both cases, a web interface is used. Business Central provides a rich set of functionalities, including multi-company financial management, supply chain management, manufacturing, project management, service management, and even some customer relationship management capabilities. This is what it looks like. Here's a sample role-tailored home screen. This one is designed for somebody in finance. There are dozens of available home screens depending on the needs of the user. In the top left corner, we can see what company we are working in. To the right of that are the major functional areas where we can access the various features of the system. Right below that is a detailed context-sensitive action menu that provides us quick access to this user's most commonly performed tasks. In the activities section, we can see and drill down on various metrics. And finally, at the bottom, we can see various action tiles that let us quickly access in-process documents, such as quotes, orders, and invoices. Business Central uses Power BI to provide you with all kinds of information useful to running your business. You can set up KPIs to see your important metrics, such as available cash on hand at a glance. You can set up insights to push important information to you. For example, a list of past due customers can be pushed to your home screen. You can click on these insights to see the detail. And finally, you can embed full-fledged Power BI reports right inside of Business Central. This is one example of an item listing, in this case inventory. We're looking at a thumbnail view that includes item pictures. On the Smart pane, you can see various details relating to the highlighted item. And then down on the forecast pane, we can see many things. In this case, we're looking at expected item levels. Microsoft Cortana Artificial Intelligence is used to forecast sales. We can see here that the expected demand is outstripping our supply. Business Central is mobile and tablet ready. You can not only view information, but you can do full transaction entry. Here's the integration with Microsoft Outlook. On the far right, you can see the Dynamics 365 pane. This lets you create purchase orders, quotes, invoices, and much more, all without ever leaving your email application. It saves so much time. So why should you take a deeper look at Business Central? First, Business Central is easy. It's easy to use, easy to deploy, easy to integrate, and easy to customize. Second, it leverages Microsoft's Artificial Intelligence Cloud. Sales and inventory forecasting are great examples of this. And third, it has a vibrant ecosystem with hundreds of add-on applications available in the Dynamics 365 App Store, which is called Microsoft AppSource. If you'd like to learn more, please email me at george.delp@interdynartist.com or give me a call at 704-321-7374. Thanks for watching and have a great day.